Mabuhay! Welcome to Neks Galang Pinoy, travel guide. Today, we're going to a place called Bohol. Bohol is an island in the Philippines. It's famous for its beautiful nature and friendly people. Get ready for an adventure. We will see amazing things and meet wonderful people. Are you excited? Let's go. First stop, the Chocolate Hills. They look like giant chocolate kisses, but don't be fooled, you can't eat them. They're actually hills covered in grass. During the dry season, the grass turns brown, making the hills look like chocolate. Cool, right? Imagine taking a picture with hundreds of chocolate hills behind you. Next, let's meet the Tarsier. These fascinating creatures are some of the most unique primates you'll ever encounter. With their enormous eyes and tiny bodies, they look almost otherworldly. Found primarily in Southeast Asia, Tarsiers are small, nocturnal animals that have adapted perfectly to their environment. Their big eyes are not just for show, they play a crucial role in their survival. They are tiny animals with big, round eyes. These eyes are so large that they can't move in their sockets. Instead, Tarsiers have a unique adaptation. They can rotate their heads almost 180 degrees to look around. This gives them an incredible field of vision, which is essential for spotting prey and avoiding predators in the dense forests they call home. They're so small, they can fit in the palm of your hand. Imagine holding a creature that is so delicate and light, yet so full of life and energy. Despite their small size, tarsiers are incredibly agile and can leap great distances to catch their prey or move from tree to tree. Their long fingers and toes help them grip branches tightly, making them excellent climbers. But don't be fooled by their size. Their eyes can see very well, even in the dark. Tarsiers are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Their large eyes help them see in low-light conditions, allowing them to hunt for insects and small animals with precision. This night vision is one of their most remarkable features, making them effective hunters in their natural habitat. These cute creatures are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. During the day, they rest in tree hollows or dense foliage to stay hidden from predators. At night, they come alive, using their keen senses to navigate the dark forest. Their diet mainly consists of insects, but they are also known to eat small birds, bats, and even snakes. Their hunting skills are truly impressive for such small animals. They love to eat insects and can jump really far. Tarsiers are known for their incredible jumping abilities. They can leap up to 40 times their body length, which is an extraordinary feat. This ability helps them catch prey and move quickly through the trees. Watching a tarsier in action is like seeing a tiny acrobat perform. Their movements are swift, precise, and mesmerizing. Remember to be quiet and gentle when we visit them. Tarsiers are very sensitive to noise and sudden movements. When observing them in their natural habitat, it's important to be as quiet and unobtrusive as possible. This ensures that we don't disturb their natural behavior or cause them any stress. By being respectful and mindful, we can enjoy watching these amazing creatures without impacting their well-being. We don't want to scare them. Tarsiers can become easily frightened, and when they feel threatened, they may hide or become stressed. It's crucial to approach them with care and respect. By doing so, we can help protect these incredible animals and ensure that they continue to thrive in their natural habitats. So let's embark on this adventure with big eyes and open hearts, ready to appreciate the wonders of the tarsier world. Bohol isn't just about hills and tarsiers. It also has stunning beaches. You can swim, build sandcastles, or just relax by the shore. If you're feeling adventurous, explore the Hinagdanan Cave. It has a hidden lagoon inside. How cool is that? And don't miss the Loboc River Cruise. You can enjoy a delicious lunch while cruising along the river. You might even see children diving for coins. The best part about Bohol is its people. Filipinos are known for their warm hospitality. They always wear a smile and are always ready to help. They will make you feel welcome and at home. Don't be shy to say hello or magandang araw po. It means good day in Filipino. They'll be happy to hear you try. Section 6. More than just a pretty face. A glimpse into Bohol's history. Bohol is not just about beautiful sights. It's also a place with a rich history. This island province in the Philippines is known for its stunning landscapes. but there's so much more to discover beyond its natural beauty. The history of Bohol is deeply intertwined with the cultural and religious development of the region, making it a fascinating destination for history enthusiasts. Did you know that Bohol is home to centuries-old churches? These architectural marvels are not just places of worship, they are also historical landmarks that tell the story of the island's past. The Panglao Church, for instance, is one of the oldest stone churches in the Philippines, built in the 16th century by Spanish colonizers. Its walls have witnessed countless events and have stood the test of time. These churches are a testament to the Filipinos' faith and resilience. Inside, you can find intricate altars, religious artifacts, and centuries-old statues that have been preserved through the years. The devotion of the local people is evident in the way these churches are maintained and revered. They serve as a reminder of the island's rich religious heritage and the enduring spirit of its people. They have withstood the test of time, including earthquakes and other natural disasters. The 2013 earthquake, for example, caused significant damage to many of these historical structures. However, the community's efforts to restore and preserve these landmarks demonstrate their commitment to safeguarding their heritage. Restoration work is ongoing, and each repaired structure stands as a symbol of hope and resilience. Visiting these historical landmarks is like taking a step back in time. As you walk through the ancient halls and corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Tourists from all over the world come to Bohol to experience this unique blend of history and culture. Whether you're exploring the Panglao Church or wandering through the ruins of other old churches, you'll find yourself immersed in a rich tapestry of stories and traditions. You can imagine what life was like for the early Boholanos. Through reenactments and cultural presentations, visitors get a glimpse of the island's vibrant past. Actors in traditional attire bring history to life, showcasing the daily activities, customs, and traditions of the early inhabitants. These performances provide a deeper understanding of Bohol's cultural heritage and offer a unique way to connect with the island's history. Section 7, calling all foodies, what to eat in Bohol. Foodies, get ready. Bohol is a paradise, not just for its stunning beaches and historical landmarks, but also for its rich culinary heritage. If you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the must-try dishes that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Bohol has a lot of yummy treats to offer. From savory to sweet, the island's cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors and textures. Imagine sitting by the beach, the sound of waves in the background, and a table full of delicious Boholano dishes in front of you. It's a food lover's dream come true. Have you ever tried Halo Halo? This colorful and refreshing dessert is a must-try when you're in Bohol. It's a popular Filipino dessert with shaved ice, milk, fruits, and sweet beans. The name Halo Halo literally means mix in Filipino, and that's exactly what you do. You mix all the ingredients together to create a symphony of flavors in every bite. Perfect for cooling down on a hot day. For something savory, try the calamay, a sticky rice cake cooked in coconut milk. This traditional delicacy is sweet, chewy, and utterly satisfying. Don't forget to try the fresh seafood. Bohol's coastal location means that seafood is always fresh and abundant. Bohol is known for its fresh catch, from fish to crabs to lobsters. Yum! Whether you prefer your seafood grilled, steamed, or in a hearty soup, you'll find it all here. The local markets are bustling with vendors selling the freshest seafood you can imagine. So, make sure to indulge in a seafood feast while you're here. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Section 8. Share your Bohol adventures. So, are you ready for your Bohol adventure? I know I am. Share your travel plans or experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore the beauty of the Philippines. Section 9. Join the Neks Galang Pinoy journey. Thank you for joining me on this virtual trip to Bohol. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos for more exciting travel destinations in the Philippines. Until next time, mabuhay!